In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app's permissions. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager. Tap on one of your device's features like microphone and select one of your apps, like Chrome. Then just apply one of those options by tapping on a perfect one. Microphone access for this app allow only while using the app, as every time, or don't allow. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back. As you can see after that, Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using my browser. But you can always check out one of your apps, and instead of tapping on any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!